Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Are you seeing ads for Lipoless pills all over social media? Claims about quick weight loss and natural ingredients? Let's dig into what Lipoless really is and whether it actually works. First, we need to clear something up. There are two completely different products using the Lipoless name. One is a prescription medicine from Paraguay that contains a diabetes drug called tirzepatide. That's a real medical treatment used under doctor supervision, but that's not what most people are seeing online. The other product is Lipoless Advanced. This is a dietary supplement sold in pharmacies and online. It contains 14 plant-based ingredients like raspberry ketones, Garcinia cambogia, green tea, and caffeine. This is what we're reviewing today. Let's talk about what's actually inside these capsules. The main ingredients are raspberry ketones and Garcinia cambogia. Sounds fancy, right? But what does the science say? Raspberry ketones have been tested mostly on rats, not humans. The few human studies that exist show very small results. One study had people lose weight, but they were also dieting and exercising, so we can't say the pills did it. Garcinia cambogia gets similar results. Some studies show tiny weight loss, like less than 2 pounds over 3 months. Other studies show no difference at all compared to fake pills. And there are reports of liver problems linked to Garcinia, which is concerning. The supplement also has caffeine, which can boost your energy and slightly increase calorie burning, but you could just drink coffee for that effect. So, does Lipoless Advance actually help you lose weight? The honest answer is probably not so much. User reviews are mixed. Some people say they felt less hungry and had more energy. Others say they saw no weight loss at all. The problem is that most positive reviews come from companies selling it. Independent research shows these ingredients don't produce major weight loss on their own. You might lose a pound or two, but that's likely from eating better and moving more, not from the pills. One big red flag, the supplement isn't approved by the FDA for weight loss. The FDA only regulates supplements as food, not medicine. That means companies can sell them without proving they work. What about safety? Well, some users report stomach cramps, jitters, and increased heart rate because of the caffeine. If you have high blood pressure, heart problems, or take other medications, this could be risky. Pregnant women should definitely avoid it. Garcinia cambogia has been linked to liver damage in some cases. While rare, that's a serious concern you can't ignore. Bottom line, Lipoless Advanced is not a magic solution. The ingredients have weak scientific support. Most weight loss you'll see comes from diet and exercise, not the pills. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.